make sure the lack of room here. Alright, so I like this setup. I'm going to make it a little bit better. Alright, okay, so this, good, here, okay, set up, here, this is the implant, okay, nice, okay, here, awesome, good, great, okay. Okay, it's full mouse coming up soon. Alright, so I like this white. Remember, not too much. This and this. Yeah, and too much down. Oh. Alright, this one is higher. Yep. And this. Yes. And then up. Alright. Then this is down. Now here's a problem, right? So what I'm going to do, I can call the doctor, so if the grinding here is a better idea. Now click, and then I add it. Yep, add it with this much is more wider looking. Alright, like that. Yeah, okay. I can cut it anyway later. So after fabricated zirconia restorations, and then I cut back precisely, and then make here is about 4/10 millimeter, and then I add with a mamalon on top of that TMO1, which is blue color. Do not have any much facial room, but because it's trying to make the full protection for occlusion. Okay, all occlusions protected, zirconia, the linger, occlusions already set. So what I trying to do, put the carefully add with the dentine the top of this, the frame, and then also apply for the enamel booster for that only incisor 1/3 for the finals restorations. So I already set the good proportion of the tooth. Central don't want to make too wide. There's proper size of the width. The lateral have to extend it. Canine the same thing here. And the premolar, so base color with the B1. And as you can see, from the temporary after we design it. And then after trying the patient's mouth, so the 1 month later, 6 weeks probably, and then so now we got the same model, then apply with the dentine. Okay, then canine as well. So those canine will build up with the same thing, but let me show you. This is enamel booster, which is enamel booster meaning already mixed with the enamel and translucency and opolucency too. So we'll get really good color from the practical build-up. So I do not have any multi build-up concept, but we're going to show the more natural look as possible. But this is more important, how to build with precisely tooth by tooth. Then I don't grind too much, and then we finalize it just like a natural lifelike aesthetic as much as possible. So that's the key. So keep watching my videos. So just overlay, you see, overlay with the iron, which is mamalon. I have to block with the underneath black triangle. Sorry, this area. Okay, right. Then I add more here. So like I said, key is the contouring, about tooth contour, all about the tooth contour that leads and show good shape and aesthetic as well. So the reason I show you guys the build up, so when you predicted the cases, then we can finish is better contour regarding our tooth. All right, this is the first time build up. All right, so another aesthetic case made by DC Cosmic Ceramic. It's a detailed layer build up, tooth design, angle contour, all individual singles. Sent to Washington State. Okay, so another top of the line signature cases. Some people said this is the same price, but this is price is more higher than our normal price. We put everything on it, internally and externally, everything. Okay, so this is the individuals Monet Pure Zirconia cases. Here, see? So we're going to make a good lab to make some good symmetry and between the tools. Now this is preform. Right? Okay, like this here. So we're going to add a new tool. Create the context, but I just really want to make sure this is as aesthetic as possible. So we made the upper lisi, we design it, and then we print it, and then do lisi, same thing. Okay. Cool. Just polish with two abutment, the monolithic posterior lisi press with a signature layer and tails. Let's finish up. The full mouth case is coming up. Screw retain for unit with a twin plant. And the bridge, you just have to make the aesthetics about the rich lab. Make the good anodizing, and make the great contour shape that looks like natural teeth. This is monolithic. We're using the DC press. And then here's the facial anatomy. You saw the design and the real details about that. And also, we're going to cement soon. Okay, just like cement. Hold on. Yes, hold on. So we're going to match with the uppers. We made the signatures all upper, and then this is the lower. Finish it soon. Beautiful job. All right.
So what do you think?
I think they're gorgeous.
Everything is nice and complete.
Everything is beautiful.